All right, let's talk about AI. It's here. And it feels like it's shaking up absolutely everything. A lot of people are getting nervous, worried about their jobs, their skills, their whole future. But what if we're looking at this all wrong? Today, we're going to figure out if AI is something you should be scared of or if it's actually a powerful toolkit you can use to really get ahead of the game. And this warning, it comes right from the top. When the guy who founded ChatGPT, Sam Altman, says that a career in coding, something we all thought was rock solid, is now on shaky ground, we really have to pay attention. This isn't some far-off prediction. He's talking about what AI can do right now. The whole game is just changing faster than any of us expected. And believe me, this isn't just talk. This number right here, 12,000, this is where it gets real. This is the number of people who lost their jobs at just one single company in India. Suddenly, that abstract threat of AI, it feels pretty immediate, doesn't it? Yeah, those 12,000 layoffs, that was at TCS in India, a place that for years was seen as one of the most secure careers you could have. The official line was a skill gap, but come on, let's be real. That skill gap is exactly what AI was built to do. It's stepping in to do the work faster and more efficiently. So the threat, it's not on the horizon anymore, it's knocking on the door. So what in the world does this mean for you? Well, it means that all those years of experience you've built up, they might not be the armor they used to be. The new reality is that someone who really masters these AI tools can learn and produce in 1 week what might have taken someone else 10 years to master the old way. The choice is pretty clear. You either adapt and start using AI, or you risk getting left behind. Okay, enough of the doom and gloom, right? Let's get to the good stuff, the opportunities. We're going to dive into 3 big categories of AI tools that are just incredible. And we're starting with the fun ones, the tools that turn your creative ideas into something real and stunning. This is where you can seriously level up your content. First up, check out Nano. People are calling it the best image editing model in the world. Seriously, forget about complicated software. You can take a picture of yourself, type a simple sentence like, "I'm standing next to the Burj Khalifa," and boom, AI puts you right there. It even matches the lighting perfectly. I mean, imagine creating marketing photos or just incredible social media posts without ever leaving your chair. Now, let's kick it up a notch. Clang.ai can take a still photo, maybe even one you just made with Nano, and bring it to life. It actually animates the image, turning it into a short, eye-catching video. Think about it. You could create an amazing ad for a product without spending a fortune on a video shoot. This is a total game changer for small businesses and marketers. So if you're a content creator, but you hate being on camera, HeyGen is for you. You make a digital avatar of yourself one time, feed it a script, and it generates a video of you talking with your voice, perfectly synced, and the best part? It can instantly translate and dub your video into tons of different languages. Suddenly, you'll have a global audience. It's like your own personal, tireless content machine. And what goes with a video avatar? Your voice, of course. 11 Labs lets you create a perfect digital clone of your voice. And this is so practical. Let's say you're sick one day or you're just too busy to record a podcast or a voiceover. You just type out the script and your AI voice delivers it flawlessly. It means your content can stay consistent no matter what's going on in your life. Now, a lot of you have probably heard of Midjourney. It was kind of the original big deal for AI images. And as you see on the left, it's great, but it's going to cost you. So I wanted to show you what's on the right. Ideogram. It's a fantastic, super high-quality alternative, and it's completely free. It's the perfect way to start making amazing images without paying for a subscription. All right, so we've covered the creative magic. Now let's switch gears and talk about something else, augmenting your own brain. This next batch of tools is for anyone who's a student, a writer, a researcher, really anyone who needs to learn and understand complex stuff fast. Meet Claude.ai. A lot of researchers are saying this is actually better than ChatGPT for really deep research. And its killer feature? It can handle huge PDF files. I'm talking about uploading an entire book, asking it super specific questions, and getting back detailed summaries in just seconds. This completely changes how you can interact with dense material. And look at this, Notebook LM from Google. This is basically like having a personal tutor who's on call 24/7. You can upload all your class notes, your textbooks, and then just ask it questions. You can even say, "Hey, explain this really complex idea to me like I'm 5 years old," and it will. It's an amazing way to fill in any gaps in your understanding. Okay, for anyone doing serious academic or scientific work, Perplexity.ai is a must-have. Its biggest strength is that it gives you citations for everything. It shows you its sources, so you can actually trust the answers because you know exactly where the information came from. Oh, and a little bonus for our viewers in India. If you're an Airtel user, you can get a 1-year Pro subscription completely free. And finally, for anyone who's ever stared at a dense academic paper and just felt totally lost, these tools are your new best friends. On the left, we've got Explain Paper, which, well, it does exactly what it says. It simplifies the complicated language. And on the right, there's Size Space, which works in a similar way. You can highlight a section that's confusing you and just ask the AI to explain it. All right, last but certainly not least, let's talk business. If you're an entrepreneur, a professional, a business owner, these next tools are all about saving you time, streamlining how you work, and just making everything you do more effective. Writing great marketing copy, man, it's hard, but AI can be your co-pilot here. You've got tools like Jasper and Copy.ai. You give them the basic idea, and they'll generate text for ads, emails, and websites that's designed to get results. And they can even learn to write in your brand's specific voice. We've all been there, right? You need to make a professional-looking presentation, but you don't have the time or the design skills. Well, tools like Gamma and Tome can literally take a simple text prompt and turn it into a beautiful, stunning pitch deck or report in just a few minutes. It's incredible. Oh, this is a big one. You're in a meeting, trying to listen, but you're also desperately scribbling notes. AI assistants like Fireflies.ai and its awesome free alternative, Fathom, totally solve this. They join your calls, they record and transcribe everything, and they give you organized notes at the end. You can finally just focus on the actual conversation. And for anyone running a business with actual physical products, this is a lifesaver. Katana.cloud is an AI built specifically for managing your inventory. It actually predicts future demand, it can automatically reorder products for you, and it'll send you a low stock alert straight to your WhatsApp. It takes all the guesswork out of one of the most stressful parts of running a business. So there you have it. We've seen how AI can totally transform how we create, how we learn, and how we do business. We've gone from the scary threat to a world that's just full of incredible new opportunities. So now, the conversation turns to you. We started with this very question, and after seeing all of these tools, I think the answer is a lot clearer. Yes, AI is a threat, but it's a threat to the old way of doing things. For anyone who's willing to learn and adapt, it is a massive, massive opportunity to build something new. So here's the real takeaway. This is not about us versus the machine. It's about partnering with the machine. The people who are going to win in this new world aren't the ones trying to compete with AI. They're the ones who are collaborating with it. The tools are right here. Many of them are free, and the advantage is just sitting there, waiting for you to take it. And that really just leaves us with one final thought. We've shown you the toolkit. We've shown you what's possible. The only question left is the one that you have to answer for yourself. How are you going to use AI to build your future?